Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two AI platforms, which is Sendible and Blaze AI. So let's get started with a quick overview about these two platforms. Sendible is a veteran social media management platform aimed at agencies and growing businesses, offering a robust multi-account scheduling, client collaboration, analytics, and CRM integration. It supports a wide range of workflow, including a Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and even a blogging platform. Talking about Blaze AI on the other side is a modern social media tools gaining a popularity in 2025 for its AI assistance scheduling, content ideas generation, and a real-time engagement tracking, designed for creators, brands with small business, and all of that. So also Blaze AI shines with its automation, with fast approach and clean UI tailored for ease of use. And talking about what these two platforms are best for, so starting with the Sendible. Sendible is best for agencies, teams managing a multiple brands or clients. And also, Blaze AI is best for solo creators, influencers, and a lean marketers or marketing teams focused on AI-driven automation. And talking about the downside about these two platforms, starting with the Sendible, the UI feels out of date compared to newer tools and can be overwhelming for solo users or a small teams. Talking about Blaze AI downside on the other side, also it has a limit growing integration. For example, it has a limited support for long form platform, and also the reporting and teams features not as advanced as that of Sendible. And here's the overall conclusion. You can simply choose the Sendible if you are running a marketing agency or a managing multiple clients and channels with a need for advanced features and white label reporting. On the other side, you can just opt in for Blaze AI if you are a modern content creator or a brand looking for speed, simplicity, and a smart automation without the plot. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what's your takes about these two platforms. Thanks.